Vechain at the time of this recording is attempting another break to the upside after continuing to hold above significant key areas of support, where we have continued to hold above the 0.02081. And on today's video, I will be discussing an 𝗕𝗗𝗃𝗧𝗏 structure that is playing out here on the charts, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. And for those of you that might be interested in taking a trade on Vechain, you can check out BINANCE, which is giving you up to 5,000 USDT in rewards, and you can also claim up to 30 USDT in sign-up rewards. And I will be leaving a link down in the description box. Getting back to the charts, you can see that on the 5th of August, we saw a massive breakdown move, in a move that gave us a low below the 0.01893. And after getting that significant low, we started a very nice bounce to the upside, where we first picked in this 𝗕𝗗𝗃𝗧𝗏. And after we picked in that 𝗕𝗗𝗃𝗧𝗏, I was expecting a bit of a breakdown move in a larger 𝗕𝗗𝗃𝗃2, whose minimum target areas I highlighted here on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that we didn't quite fully maximize. And that is an area that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low that we made on the 5th of August to that high in that 𝗕𝗗𝗃𝗃𝗏1, where you can see that the target area perfectly lies between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618. But on the charts, we saw a reaction of the fib level 0.382 in what could be the start of an impulsive 𝗕𝗗𝗃𝗃𝗏3 to the upper side, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that 𝗕𝗗𝗃𝗃𝗏1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.02876. And once we have a high in this 𝗕𝗗𝗃𝗃𝗏3, we can expect a pullback in this 𝗕𝗗𝗃𝗃𝗏4, then continue gearing up even higher in that 𝗕𝗗𝗃𝗃𝗏5. And for us to see the high for that 𝗕𝗗𝗃𝗃𝗏3, we first need to see a break above significant key areas here on the charts. And the first significant high that we need to break above lies above the 0.02443. The moment we manage to break above that, maybe with a retest, and also manage to break above resistance at the 0.02497, then I will continue expecting higher prices to easily maximize our minimum target areas, getting us back above the 0.02871 in that 𝗕𝗗𝗃𝗃𝗏3. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the short term. And in case of any sudden pullbacks, then we need to see Vechain hold above support at the 0.02081. As long as that continues to hold, we can still see that bounce to the upside. But if by any chance we lose support down here, then there are high chances that we can easily see a total reset of the lows that we made on the 5th of August. So that is something else that we need to have in mind. Jumping to the daily chart to now give you my long-term price prediction analysis, still basing it on the 𝗕𝗗𝗃𝗃𝗏 structures. You can see that last year we got our bear market lows down here before we saw an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the 0.05524 in what I'm terming as this 𝗕𝗗𝗃𝗃𝗏1. And after we picked in that 𝗕𝗗𝗃𝗃𝗏1, we started another breakdown move in the formation of this 𝗕𝗗𝗃𝗃𝗏2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, increasing the likelihood that we now have a low in place in that 𝗕𝗗𝗃𝗃𝗏2, and Vechain is now ready for an aggressive bounce to the upside in this 𝗕𝗗𝗃𝗃𝗏3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that 𝗕𝗗𝗃𝗃𝗏1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.0866 as our minimum target area. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the Vechain chart on the short term and also on the long term. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.